From a practical perspective, here's how to apply this in your organization. If you've heard of a tool or a capability or a system, anything that could benefit your organization, figure out a way to get it in and test it out. It may be a game changer for you and your organization. Yes, from a cybersecurity perspective, there are ways that you can bring things in and test them out in a safe and secure environment. To keep costs to a minimum, you can leverage things like free trials, demos, or you can just buy one of something, test that out, which is still cheaper than buying tens, a hundred, thousands of a piece of software or a piece of equipment. Don't be afraid to be wrong. Again, you'll still learn something, and every time you test it out, you'll be one step closer to innovation and transformation for the success of your organization. Here's a big one. Develop a budget for testing things out. This could be a really small budget depending on the size and the risk tolerance of your organization, but at least you'll have money earmarked for moving your organization forward. Besides, you don't know that potentially what you're testing today on an even small budget could be a game changer for your organization tomorrow. Then at that point, you'll be kicking yourself that you hadn't done this before. This is not a push for a particular technology. This could even be a process or something where you're testing out people related or leadership related methodologies. The key is test it out. The last point I want to make is about the people within your organization. Developing a test it out mantra gives your people a new lease on their work life, at least. People love to work on something new, exciting, with the possibility of creating or integrating something new for the entire organization. Who doesn't want to do things to retain good people by giving them a reason to stay around and giving them an opportunity to help build for increased success tomorrow? So test it out. You'll be happy you did.